Most people get this wrong, and end up paying for Peacock twice or getting stuck on an activation screen that never loads. Here's the truth no one tells you. The issue is not Peacock itself. It's how Comcast Xfinity bundles and activates streaming perks in 2026. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to activate Peacock with Comcast step by step, how to check if it's included in your plan, and how to fix common activation errors quickly. By the end, you'll have Peacock working on your devices without confusion or extra charges. Let's get into it. First, you need to confirm whether your Comcast or Xfinity plan includes Peacock Premium. Open the Xfinity app or log into your account on the website. Go to the Rewards or Entertainment section. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some plans automatically include Peacock Premium at no extra cost, while others only offer it for a limited promotional period. If you skip this check, you might miss a free benefit already included in your plan. Next, if Peacock is included, you will see an option that says something like, Activate Peacock, or Claim your offer. Click on it. This will redirect you to Peacock's official activation page. Do not go straight to the Peacock app yet. That is one of the biggest mistakes users make. Now you will be asked to sign in or create an account. Use the same email tied to your Comcast or Xfinity account if possible. This step connects both services properly and unlocks your subscription automatically. But here's the problem many users face. The activation link sometimes fails or loops back to the login page. If that happens, clear your browser cache, switch to a different browser, or try mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Also make sure you are fully signed into your Xfinity account before retrying. Once activation is complete, download the Peacock app on your smart TV, phone, or streaming device. Sign in using the email you used during activation. You should now see your premium access unlocked instantly. If you do not see the activation option at all, it usually means your plan does not include Peacock Premium. In that case, you can still subscribe directly through Comcast billing or upgrade your plan through Xfinity. Quick recap. Check your plan first. Activate through the Xfinity portal, not the Peacock app. Use the same email to link accounts. Fix errors by switching browsers or networks. Then, log into the Peacock app to confirm access. That's it. You now have Peacock working through Comcast without double payments or setup issues. If this helped, like the video, comment where you got stuck, and subscribe for more simple streaming setup guides like this.